I'm sorry. You said who's been shot? Hello, sir. Are you
My
still
friend,
there?
I said I shot this demon in the face. Yes, me. Subuike Ohuabuna. You can come and take me. She's lying down here. She's always lying.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. I know you're very upset, but can you please tell me if there's anybody else hurt? Hello, sir? Sir, are you there?
I'm finished. Shabaka, you have finished me, Igbu.
Hello, sir. Is somebody else hurt? Or you hurt yourself? Hello, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. Thank you for that. Now, can you please give me the address to that location? Can you please confirm the address? Sir?
I have nothing to say to you. Chukuna Zubike. So this is how it ends for you. What, Jonjo?
Okay, sir. Emergency personnel are on their way as we speak. I need you to put down the gun so we can talk.
What? No, I can't do that. I need it. I can't do that.
I understand that, sir, but for right now and for the safety of the...
I will shoot myself before your people near me. Eh? You think I'm playing? Eh?
Sir, I know. I don't want you to do that.
Telling me that my mother cannot come and live with me. You cannot come and live with us in Dallas. Eh? Who the hell are you? Eh? You're enough, so you are gonna be. Eh?
Sir, are you there? Are you there?
So you can build house in your father's village. You can build house in your father's village. Eh?
Okay,
but I cannot send you
sir.
and money. Eh? Me? As you be
Sir,
I should come and answer asking you for permission to spend my money.
Okay.
Eh? I'm also Kibu. Marine spirit Kibu. That's what you
sir,
are.
please.
You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Eh? You kicked me out of my own house.
Sir, please calm down. Sir, please calm down.
You want to be the man of the house, Abi? Impossible. Oh my God,
Hello, sir. Are you there? Can you please speak to me? Sir, are there any children in the house? Sir, I would really like for you to... Oh.
Look at me. Look at my face. It is me that shot you. Eh? So you think you can mess me up and go for free? Eh? It is me that shot you. Eh?
Okay, sir. Can you please put the gun down? Can you please put the gun down, sir? Please. Okay. I have emergency services en route to your destination. All I need for you to do is put the gun down on the floor. Can you please do that for me?
You Americans,
you
think you can ruin my life? My destiny? Spoil my name? But if you kill me spiritually, I will kill you physically.
I understand you're very upset right now, sir. But I need you to please calm down.
What are you talking about? Eh? Are you any better? Me upset?
No.
Did I say she broke my phone? Eh? I said this Ogbanje finished my life. And she took everything from me. All my hard work. For what? Because she's a nurse, eh? Because she's a nurse.
I understand your frustration, sir. I understand. But if you don't want to put the gun down, can you please go to another room?
I made her who she is. Ask anybody. I made you who you are. Eh? She was in the village begging me to marry. Eh? All her family members. Oh, begging me. It was me. You was nobody. You were nobody. You become a nurse and then you start crying. Start carrying shoulder, acting like madam. Eh? So that you will not give me your check anymore. Eh?
Sir.
Tell me I should leave. Tell me I should leave the house.
Sir, are you?
Tell me that I should leave the house now. Eh? No, tell me to pack my load from the house that I bought. Eh?
Hello, sir. Can you please speak to me?
You know how to call police all the time Wake up and call it now. Wake up and call it now.
Hello, sir. Pick up the phone. Hello? Hello? Sir.
There's one in the corner.